is the Mud Buster. It's supposed to help clean off your dog's paws to keep your carpet clean. We're gonna test this out on Daisy and Winter and see how clean their paws get. All right, we're gonna get Winter's paws muddy in this nice little bucket of homemade mud. If anybody needs a recipe, let me know. Oh my God, look at her paws.
No.
And then how do you do it? I don't know how to do
I will
it.
say, this might be like a Daisy size one.
Oh shoot, is it not working?
No, it's working a little bit.
Well, let's get a towel, chop chop, production crew. AKA Scott and Lucas, please get us a towel. Let's see the shiny paws. Oh.
Your mud recipe might just be really good.
All right, we're gonna try it out on somebody's paws that fit the Mud Buster. Look how dirty this paw is. Don't lick the mud, Daisy. Your paw's going in, okay? Okay. It's still really dirty water that's on her though. It's like a 3 out of 10 in my opinion.
Okay, we're back at the indestructible toy.